Your brakes are the most important safety device on your car. Look at this brake pad. Not even a year old. The steel is rotting. It's fallen apart. This is an accident waiting to happen. And this is what they looked like just a couple of months ago when I installed them. Brake pads shouldn't be glued or painted. Glues don't hold up. And paint? That just chips away. Now, there's a better way. Brake pads equipped with galvanized steel NRS technology. Their hooks grab the friction material and won't let go. They're quiet, they're corrosion proof, and they last longer. They're nearly indestructible. Nothing in your brake system is glue. Your brake pads shouldn't be either. Choose NRS with galvanized steel. But hey, it's just your brakes we're talking about.